Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best camera cleaning kits in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying camera cleaning kits. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Tycka Camera Cleaning Kit. The kit includes everything users could want from a camera cleaning kit: microfiber cloths, cleaning brush and pen, air blower, cleaning solution, and carrying case to keep it organized. Bristles on brush and cleaning pen are extremely fine, for cleaning lenses and sensors without scratching. Alcohol-free cleaning solution avoids smudging or other damage. Complete cleaning kit includes everything you need, with special attention paid to non-scratching materials for safety of lenses and sensors. Cleaning pen isn't reversible, only includes the brush tip for lens cleaning. At number 2. CamKix Professional Camera Cleaning Kit. 4 microfiber cloths for deep lens cleaning, air blower for tight spaces, and brush for stubborn particles are comparable to other kits. We love the addition of the double-sided cleaning pen. One side includes a non-liquid cleaning element so it doesn't dry out, other side is hard bristle brush that works nicely for quick touch-ups during photography sessions. Kit includes standard features like microfiber cloths and air blower, plus helpful double-sided lens cleaning pen for quick touch-ups. Must purchase cleaning solutions separately. At number 1. Altura Professional Cleaning Kit for DSLR Cameras. Includes multiple microfiber cloths for dust-free lens cleaning and swabs for sensors. A lens brush for stubborn particles and air blower for hard-to-reach crevices complete this camera cleaning system. Cleaning solution is chemical-free and won't leave streaks or smudges. Carrying case keeps kit organized inside a camera bag. Compatible with most digital cameras, this kit earns high marks for variety of materials and all-natural cleaning solution. Solution takes a long time to dry on sensors, and might smudge if not completely dry. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.